I'm Dr. Irfan Sheikh. I come from southern part of India, which is a beautiful place. I have a master's degree in physiotherapy with musculoskeletal and sports as my specialty. Today I'm going to share a few experiences and my journey with matrix rhythm therapy. I've started my clinical practice in the year 2007. In order to upgrade my practice, I added matrix rhythm therapy to my practice. Then as soon as I started my introduction of matrix rhythm therapy to my clinic, the total scenario has changed. I had an opportunity to treat thousands of people who were in pain. Among them, I would like to share a few cases which are really special to me. The first case is of a diabetic non-healing ulcer which was indicated for amputation. Diabetic non-healing ulcer which was seen by a podiatric surgeon for a year but could not heal, and the podiatric surgeon has indicated and referred to amputation. But luckily I got a chance to treat the same patient with matrix rhythm therapy. In a period of few months, around 4 to 5 months it has taken, I'm very happy and proud to say the ulcer has totally healed and we could save the foot of the patient. Introduction of matrix rhythm therapy has given miraculous and unbelievable results to many of my patients. Among this journey, I would like to share another case of mine, who is a 13-year-old boy who plays national badminton in India. During his game, he met with an accident and he had to suffer with a spine fracture. Because of that, he was totally out of sport and the doctors has advised him to go for surgery. But the parents of the boy were not very keen to go for the surgery, so that I got an opportunity and a chance to treat him by matrix rhythm therapy. The boy got treated with me, and after the completion of 3 months, the boy was completely out of pain and he was ready to go back to his game again. The matrix application has changed the total spectrum of the conditions what we see as a physical therapist. These days, because of just matrix therapy, I have made my identity in my place. I am very proud to say that I have patients from my place, not only my place, but of course from other parts of India, and I have patients from around the globe as well. I have treated a number of cases. Among them were bureaucrats, magistrates, police personnel, doctors, including my family. And I'm very happy that I could make them smile on their face again, which was not possible because of pain. I would like to thank Dr. Randall for this invention and bringing this special concept to the people of India.